So in about a week, we are going to be heading over to Biloxi for a cruise in the coast. And that's going to be a huge event because it's the biggest block party in the United States. They bring in over probably 10,000 cars, maybe even 15,000 cars. Registered cars, I think it's going to be upwards of like 8,000 or 9,000 so far, of what I've read. But it's going to be huge. Like, this is the biggest block party. So of course we're going to try to get the Civic ready and get it over there. That's going to be one of our things. But plus we are doing the Amsoil thing, and we're going to be over at Biloxi for the Mississippi Coliseum Center. It's a swap meet that Cruising the Coast does every year. So they do an auction where they auction off a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of cars. People do that kind of stuff. And then in the parking lot they have a swap meet where you can buy everything, pretty much cars. And so we're putting together another event where we're going out there. We did it last year. It was pretty decent. Not as good as what we thought it was going to be, but we're trying it again. Made a few tweaks to it and see how it is. So, but today we are going to get this valve cover taken off. We're going to get the helicoil fixed in it. So basically what they did was, let me show you. This is not the right way to do it, okay? They put body plug, or like the body plugs for like these in here. And then they took 2 bars, bent them up, and then bolted them down to the header to secure it. And the reason they did that was because most Honda guys, when they put it together, they take the valve cover off multiple times, take the head off, they do a whole bunch of work to it. Whoever had this motor stripped down the valve cover bolts on the back 3. I know that because I've done that before. We were working on my son Logan's car, and that happened with that. Now, it's just over time with you torquing it down, it's going to strip out, or people over torquing it. So we're going to get this torn apart. We're going to helicoil it. We're going to fix the bolts the right way, take these stupid little brackets off. But plus, I'm also going to paint the valve cover a teal color, and then we're going to get the whole engine bay all cleaned up. It's not going to be a show quality, but I do want to be able to show it off a little bit. Get all the oil leaks and everything fixed on it, clean it up really good, and plus we have the bumper wrap now. So pretty much the only thing we got left on it is the side skirts down here and the mirrors. Those are getting painted black today, and that's getting painted black today. We were going to wrap it, but as you can see, I am not a wrapper, and my stuff's just not worked very well. And you can see here where I've screwed that up. For the most part, everything else actually turned out really good on the roof, but this piece here just bothered me. Yeah, so I guess I'll keep playing with the wrap and going down that way, but for the most part I'm really good at painting, so that's what we're going to do, is just paint. Like that, that's all. Okay, well, that's going to set for a few minutes. Let's start working on this. It's completely cracked out here, blown out.
Oh.
We can drill that one. I don't know, it looks like it's already been drilled out. Doing that so it catches all metal shavings.
Oh.
So it doesn't get in the motor. Smallest metal shaving can damage the motor pretty bad. Ready? No. Nope, 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 nope. You can't get that. You gotta get closer down here towards the thing.
So like that?
Yeah. No, this is a slow pace one.
I'm gonna run inside and go grab a drink real fast.
Okay.
What happened to the screwdriver?
This one broke. Cheap set. So I just use it for my little mixing thing for Bondo and JB Weld and everything.
It said I didn't want to be alive no more.